Adding and editing text. Open your PDF file in PicoPDF. Click the Add Text button and click anywhere on the PDF. Type in your desired text. Click and drag on existing text to edit it, change the font properties, or add a highlight. Select the Move tool, then click and drag text to move it to a new location. Click Delete to remove selected text. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on adding and editing text with PicoPDF. To add or edit text, start by opening your PDF in PicoPDF. The Add Text button is located on the Home tab. Click the Add Text button and simply click anywhere on your PDF. A text box will appear on your PDF. Use your keyboard to type your new text into the text box. You can add as many new text fields as you want. Existing text can be moved to a new location in your PDF. Select the Move tool on the toolbar. Click and drag the text that you want to relocate to the new location on your PDF. Existing text can be edited with the Edit Text tool on the toolbar. Select the Edit Text tool, then click on the text to edit it. A blue box will appear around the text block that is ready to be edited. Click and drag to highlight text. Type to replace the highlighted text, or click Delete to delete it. To change the font properties, select the text using click and drag, then click the Font button found on the Edit tab. To choose a font, select an option from the drop-down menu. You can change your font style by clicking on the bold or italics buttons. Change the font size of your text by clicking the up and down arrows or type in the desired font size. Change the color of your text by clicking the Text Colored button and selecting a color from the Edit Colors window. To add a highlight to your text, select the text, then click the Highlight button located on the Edit tab. Click the drop-down next to the Highlight button to select a highlight color. To delete a block of text, use the Move button to select a text block, then click Delete on your keyboard or click the Delete button on the Edit tab. Once you are finished editing your PDF, use Save As to save your changes to a new document, or Save to overwrite your source file. For more PicoPDF tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.